Hey everybody, I just wanted to jump on here really quick and show you my new favorite product. If you've sat in my chair anytime, probably in the last month, I've probably put this in your hair. So I just wanted to give you a little product demo and tell you a little bit about it. This is a dry powder volume paste by 11 Australia. And if you are struggling to get volume, you see I have a lot of hair. It's very fine and flat though, so I don't really have a lot of volume at my roots. You just take a little tiny bit, rub it into your hands, it disappears, and then you just go through your hair, put it at your roots, and just rub it in everywhere. And it's gonna give you instant lift and hold, but it's really flexible. So you can still run your hands through it. It's not like some of those powders that you kind of sprinkle in and your hair's stuck where you put it. It just gives you a lot of lift. But you can still move your hair around and it's not stuck to your head. And I've also noticed it's pretty good at absorbing some oil too, so I can stretch my hair a couple extra days when I put this powder at my roots, because it's kind of absorbing the oils at my roots too. So obviously, the more you mess with it, the bigger it can get. And then you can always calm it back down or it will relax a little bit. But yeah, that is a fun new product that I've been messing with here at the salon that just gives you really nice, flexible, instant volume, and it's not really hard to work with. Super easy to put in, super easy to use. If you want to try it, just pop in and we can throw a little in your hair and see what it does. All right, have a good day, everybody. Bye.